You feel tired, but you blame it on work. You feel foggy, but you blame it on bad sleep. You feel off, but you can't explain why. What if it's not stress? What if your blood sugar has been quietly destroying you and you never even knew? This is not a scare tactic. This is a wake-up call. Right now, hundreds of millions of people are walking around with blood sugar problems and zero symptoms. The American Diabetes Association confirmed that 3 adults has prediabetes, and 80% of them have no idea. No pain, no warning, just silent damage building every single day. And here is the truth nobody tells you. By the time you feel it, the damage is already done. So let's talk about the 7 signs your body is already sending you. Signs most people ignore for years. 1. You are tired all the time even after a full night of sleep. When your blood sugar spikes and crashes, your cells stop getting proper fuel. Your body is running on empty even when you think you rested. And 2. You are always hungry even right after eating. This is called insulin resistance. Your cells are rejecting glucose, so your brain keeps screaming for more food, even though you just ate. A 2021 research study in Cell. This cycle is one of the earliest warning signs of metabolic dysfunction. 3. Your belly fat won't move no matter what you do. Visceral fat, the fat deep inside your abdomen, is directly linked to insulin resistance. It's not about willpower. It's about hormones and blood sugar dysregulation. 4. You get brain fog after meals. You eat lunch and then you can't think straight. That crashes your blood sugar spiking and then dropping fast. Your brain runs on glucose, but unstable glucose is like bad Wi-Fi. Everything slows down. Sign number 5. Your skin is sending you signals. Dark patches on your neck, armpits, or knuckles called acanthosis nigricans are a direct sign of high insulin levels. Your skin is literally showing you what's happening inside. Sign number 6. You wake up at 3 a.m. for no reason. Research from Stanford shows that blood sugar crashes during the night activate your stress hormones, cortisol and adrenaline, which jolt you awake. If this happens to you regularly, your metabolism is under stress even while you sleep. Sign number 7. You crave sugar constantly, not just occasionally, every single day. This is your body caught in a blood sugar roller coaster, spiking, crashing, then demanding more sugar to survive. It is a trap, and most people stay in it for decades. Now here is the good news. You can break this cycle, and it does not require extreme diets or expensive medication. Research published in the New England Journal of Medicine proved that lifestyle changes alone can reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes by up to 58%, more effective than medication in early stages. Start with this. Walk for 10 minutes after every meal. A study in diabetes care showed this single habit lowers post-meal blood sugar better than a 30-minute single walk. Add protein and fiber to every meal. These 2 nutrients slow glucose absorption and flatten your blood sugar curve naturally. Cut ultra-processed foods not forever. Just start reducing them today. They spike your blood sugar faster than almost anything else. Prioritize sleep. Poor sleep raises cortisol, which raises blood sugar. It is a direct connection backed by dozens of studies. These are not complicated steps. They are small, consistent shifts, but they compound every single day. Here is your takeaway. Your body has been talking to you. You just haven't been listening. Fatigue, brain fog, belly fat, cravings, bad sleep, these are not random. They are connected, and blood sugar is often the thread running through all of them. You are not broken. You are not lazy. Your body is just waiting for you to give it what it needs. So start today, not Monday, not next month. Today, because silent damage doesn't wait, and neither should you.